talk about Green Hills. Maybe you've heard about this phenomenal neighborhood in Nashville, Tennessee. Maybe you haven't, but I'm gonna give you all the details. Hi, my name is Wendy Monday. I'm a realtor in Nashville, Tennessee. And if you're looking to move to Nashville, give us a call, a text, shoot us an email, drop a comment in the comments, reach out any way you like. We'll help you get here. What is Green Hills? Green Hills is kind of like the urban suburban of Nashville. It feels like you have like a lot of green space, like a phenomenal mall, like all the things, like the great YMCA is there, like things like that. And then you have like bigger lots, bigger houses, but you're still really close to downtown, you're still really close to the airport, you're really in the middle of the city still. Living in Green Hills means that you have like access to great little boutiques, you have access to great little restaurants, you have access to the mall and some of the like bigger stores that you're looking for. Like if you're gonna go to Tiffany's or you're gonna go to Louis Vuitton or you're gonna go to Burberry, that's where you're gonna go. You're gonna go to the Green Hills Mall. Giant restoration hardware store, like the best place to shoot a picture of yourself eating lunch is Restoration Hardware in Green Hills. Best movie theater in town, the Green Hills Cinema. It has the big comfy like reclining seats. Can't go anywhere else now for a movie. Green Hills is just very comfortable. It's very nice. A lot of people who watch the show Nashville would have seen the Bluebird Cafe. It's where everybody went to play, and it really is a Nashville institution, like a singer-songwriter, like mecca. It is in the most unremarkable, like one-story strip mall situation in Green Hills. You would never think it was the setting for the marquee show of our town and the place where like careers are made, but that's what the Bluebird Cafe is. The typical Green Hills home is going to be kind of larger house on a larger lot. There's a lot of new construction in Green Hills. These bigger, I would say, 4,500 to 6,000 square feet are what's being built in Green Hills, like on the newer end, and some just really nice houses. I think of the Virtus, which is like this new luxury high-rise apartment building, and it has True Food below it and Char and some great restaurants. I think of like going there if I'm gonna need to buy something from West Elm or Mitchell Gold, if I'm gonna go to Anthropology, that's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to Green Hills to do that. Also, the first Whole Foods in town was in Green Hills. Like, it's the destination shopping place, and so by extension, like all the houses around it, like these really nice houses have these really nice places to go spend a lot of money. A very Nashville spot in the middle of Green Hills that I have loved for years and I still love, and it's awesome, is the Greenhouse Bar. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It's a greenhouse and then there's a bar in it, and it's super neat, and I highly recommend it. If you have questions about Green Hills or any other Nashville neighborhood, drop those questions in the comments, send us a DM, reach out via text, email, whatever. We're happy to answer them. If there are questions you have that you'd like to see us do another video on, happy to do it. Post those in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.